In this video, I'll guide you through how can you get premium on Youku app. In order to get premium on Youku app, you have to follow the steps. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the application is completely updated. If not, head over to your respective app store and type in Youku and see whether you need to update it or not. As the application is completely updated, click the open button and log into your account. Next, what you want to do is you want to click on the me icon, or you could actually go ahead and click on plus VIP from a top right inside corner of your screen. As soon as you do it so, you'll be directed to the next field where you could see all of the plans and premium count. So here you want to go ahead and select the subscription plan that is preferred to you. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one and click on get it for at the bottom of the page. After which, what it's going to do is it's going to ask me to add a payment or credit card, debit card information. So I have to go ahead and press on it. I'll have to enter in my card number, month and a year of expiry, and CVV code. Once I do it so, click the save button. It's going to take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute in order to get you the premium. So when you get a premium, you'll be notified through your email or maybe an SMS stating that you've successfully activated the premium on Youku app. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.